How long does Xiaomi TV last? Xiaomi TVs are built with quality components and can last between 5 to 7 years with regular use. If maintained well, they may last up to 10 years. The lifespan depends on factors like usage time, brightness levels, ventilation, and power supply stability. Proper care can help extend its durability and ensure consistent performance. 1. Average lifespan of Xiaomi TV. Xiaomi TVs generally last around 5 to 7 years under normal conditions. If used with moderate brightness settings and proper maintenance, they can function well for up to 10 years. The durability is similar to other smart TVs in the same price range. Second, factors that affect lifespan. Several factors influence how long a Xiaomi TV lasts. High brightness settings can wear out the LED backlight faster. Poor ventilation may cause overheating, leading to internal damage. Power surges can also shorten the TV's lifespan, making a surge protector essential. 3. Common signs of wear and tear. As a Xiaomi TV ages, you may notice screen dimming, color fading, slow performance, or dead pixels. Other signs include flickering screens, overheating, or delayed responses in smart features. Regularly checking for these issues can help in taking preventive measures. Fourth, ways to extend the lifespan. To make a Xiaomi TV last longer, keep the brightness at a moderate level and enable energy-saving modes. Ensure proper ventilation by placing the TV in an open area. Using a high-quality surge protector helps prevent damage from power fluctuations. Cleaning the screen and vents regularly also improves longevity. 5. When to upgrade or replace. If the TV develops serious hardware issues like persistent flickering, motherboard failures, or unresponsive smart features, replacing it may be a better option. Newer Xiaomi TV models offer advanced technology, better refresh rates, and improved display quality. Xiaomi TVs can provide a long-lasting viewing experience with proper care. Reducing brightness, ensuring good ventilation, and protecting against power surges can significantly extend their lifespan. If the TV shows major defects, upgrading to a newer model can be a wise decision.